Cal from Cal's Crafts. Welcome back. If you've been before, and hi, if this is your first time, I'm going to be doing an unboxing, and as you can see, it's a diamond art. It is a square and it is Fox Wisdom, by Willowink Arts. It is a 33 centimeters by 46 centimeters, and it says with AB. So we're going to have a look. Sorry it's taking me so long to get round. Let me see if I can just put a slight tad bit. I've got my candle lit for anybody that needs prayers, thoughts of positivity. I've got my cup of tea. I've just made this now parched, so I thought I'd make this video while I've got 20 minutes spare, as they say. I've just turned the washing machine on pause and the tumble rod dryer on pause so I can do it. Right, let's get into it. It's only a little baby one. I paid £34 for this one, but it is on offer at £24 at the moment. So get over if you like this one and get it. I'll put that over where it's nowhere near my candle. So let's get into it. But and as always, excuse me, how it works is on the bottom. Kit content is Premier Velvet tarpaulin canvas, colour-coded resin diamonds, magic diamond applicator and the comfort grip, multi-placer and tweezers, 2 wax pads, craft tray and resealable baggies, an inventory sheet with pre-cut sticky labels, which we love. Right, so there's our little sticker. So put that there because you all know what I'm going to do with that. Got a toolkit which we'll have a look at. And this is our lovely canvas. Right, let's get this out. We'll pull the drills out, put them to the side. We'll have a look at them in a minute. There is your step-by-step instructions. So if you're not sure how to do anything, then you have the instructions all there. So it talks you through it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. And then, of course, some people put these in their journal to say when they start and when they end. And then you've got all your little stickers. So that's all your symbols. And they all look pretty good and pretty clear. And then you've got some spare ones there that you can put on any spare bottles that you've got, or keep them for another kit. Right, let me just roll it the other way. Ooh, oh, she looks good. I really like this one even more now I'm seeing it in the flesh. I've been eyeing this one up for a while. So, and being a country girl, you've got to love the foxes. So, what do you think? Isn't it beautiful? So while you're staring at her, I'm going to put my sticker on my box. So then I know by just looking at the top of the box what's in each box. So that's what I do with my sticker. You do whatever you want with yours, guys, but that's what I do with mine. And then we'll show you the kit. Ooh. I love my tweezers because I'm putting all these tweezers in cross-stitch kits, if I'm honest. I don't use them for diamond painting very often. I have one pair for diamond painting, and then these others I put in all my cross-stitch whips because they're ideal when I'm frogging to pull out the threads. So we've got loads of baggies. Loads and loads of baggies. There's probably more than enough to do your kit. We have a normal single placer that side, and then we have, which are my favourites, are the 4 placers. 3 placers and 4 placers are mine, and you just stick it in the end like that. You have your comfort grip, which just slides on there. 2 wax. You literally just poke that in the wax. Take your little. It's got plastic on both sides. So you just take that off, in, and away to go. and your tray. So everything you need to get started is in this kit. So right, we'll chuck that to the side. We'll have a look at the kit and then we'll have a look at the diamonds. So let's have a look at the nice and sticky, and as you can see it's poured glue and it only goes up to the edges, and you've got the sparkle. Can you see the sparkle in the canvas? I don't know if you can, the camera's picking up, but it's gorgeous. But look how clear these symbols are, guys. Crystal clear, crystal clear. So there'll be a nice bit of multi-placing up here. I think I'll be practicing my multi-placer. So there's 31 colours, and I was going to say we'd measure to see if it's the right length, but guess what? Somebody's nicked my ruler. I'll have to use my plastic one. I usually have my fabric one. So 13 inches by 18 or 33 centimetres, spot on 33. And then 46, there's 40, have I done it right? 40 is on there, and on there, just under 46 centimetres I make it, but probably if I'd flattened it, it'd probably just be right, so just a smidge. So near enough perfect. As I say, it's by Willow Arts. That's Diamond Art Club's Facebook and Instagram if you want to go on there. But yes, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. So let's have a look at the diamonds. Just, that was the dog coming down the stairs, or falling down the stairs. Whoop. I think it's got 2 ABs. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packets of the 520. 520. Where did I get 520 for? 5,200. They are all my multi-placing, which is 5. 3 10s, 2 bags of 3 10s. We can manage 2 bags of 3 10s, guys. Ooh, 740 orange. I quite like oranges now. 947. Pinky 963, very pale pink 819. Oof, look at that blue, guys. Ooh, beautiful. 3845, that's like a brick orange. 900. Pinky 602. Look at the AB. Can you see it? Can you see that? That's AB 124, and that is beautiful. That is gorgeous. We'll have a look where that's going after. 603 pink. Then we have 601 pink, 600 pink, 150 pinky red, more reddy, well, burgundy red, I suppose. Oh, another AB, orange AB, guys. 132, 814 browns, 355. 3371, another nice pink. 605, pink 3608, 604, back into browns. 3857, 402, baby blue. 775, yellowy. 742, some nice blues. 3846, 3844. Ooh, just a few of these. 3778, blue 312, darker blues 336, and even darker 823. So some beautiful colours. So let's have a look. So 1 and 2 is AB. So come on, guys, let's find it. There's one, the odd one down there. A few of the 2s in there. A few 2s there around the neck, and then some 2s here, so that's going to look really nice to highlight there. But where are most of the, in here, look, guys. So it's going to be spickly sparkly. It's going to be spickly sparkly, isn't it? And you could always change these if you've got some ABs for the crown there and there. If you've got black ABs, you could change them to the butterflies on the crown to black ABs if you've got them, or to whatever colour you wanted. Or even if you had like a gold colour, you could change it. But I love it. Absolutely love it. I'm so chuffed that I've actually got it. And as I say, it's on offer at the moment for about £24, so I think that's an even better bargain for the size. Just love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. So let me know what you think. Sorry it's taken so long to unbox it, but we got there in the end. So I'm going to love you and leave you because I'm going to go and finish my cup of tea and do a few jobs. And then sit down for a while. So with that said, thank you ever so much for joining me. I really, really appreciate it. You know I do. If you haven't subscribed, you fancy staying about, we'd love to have you. There's a notification button by the side which lets you know when I go live, which is on a Sunday, and when I upload a video, which is a few times a week. I know, I always say that, but you're supposed to. Look, all that's left for me to say is look after yourselves, guys. If you want to chat as well, I've got all my details down below if you want to know anything about me. But look after yourselves, take care, and most importantly, stay safe. Love you all. Bye.